Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, we've definitely been drifting down pretty hard, but I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave W, possibly a wave X, and I still think it's very likely it will go up for a W or an ABC of wave Y, which I still think is likely to go up and eventually take out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely very impulsive down, but I'm still looking at this so far, at least until proven otherwise, that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2. I still think there's a good chance this will make a higher low and eventually go up for a wave 3. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. Now the daily time frame definitely did break to the downside, I think almost 2 weeks ago now. So for the last 2 weeks, I mean, if you are trading on the sort of time frames, you definitely should have been looking for shorts over the last couple of weeks. I do see the possibility of this being like 3 waves down for like a wave A, this being like 3 waves up for like a wave B, and now we're possibly already in a wave C. So I still think that this might even end up being a 1. This might be like a big expanding or running flat wave 2, and eventually it goes up for a wave 3. But for now, I definitely would continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement level, which definitely could be an area of resistance. Probably is going to be an area where we see a pullback. But that's actually really good news for us, because if we do get a pullback, that should give us another opportunity to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if it does make a double bottom at the 78% and then go up and break struts, I would definitely stop looking for shorts at that point. But until that happens, or if and even if it does happen, I would continue to look for shorts. It might just blow past that level and just keep on going. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am not looking for longs. I have no reason at all to even remotely think that going long is going to be a good profitable trade. I do think there is a chance that it may pull back just because we are at the 78%. But even if it does go up, I definitely am not going to be going long. But instead, I will be waiting patiently for the end of another correction to go short. Then if it makes that double bottom at the 78%, goes up, breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. If that picture right there does not happen or does not occur, then I definitely will continue to look for shorts, and I definitely will enjoy this trend, because the trend is your friend, and I definitely do trade with the trend, which is why I am definitely patiently waiting for all sorting opportunities for the continuation of this downtrend. There has been some amazing shorts over the last couple of weeks, and until the trend is proven to be over on a higher roadmap time frame, I will continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.